Welcome back. We are here looking at the ETFs, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Monday, April 3rd, 2021. So we'll start by looking at ARKK Innovation ETF, and as you can see, we did fall quite a bit on Friday's session. We did fall below the 150 moving average and basically settled underneath the 150 moving average. We did rally up towards 20 exponential, but basically gave all of those gains back, and then we basically fell. So we have been falling the last 4 consecutive trading days, and it is technically the 50 moving average that is the problem here. We have not managed to break above the 50 moving average. We did test down 100 moving average right here and also broke down. And at this current stage, it looks like we're heading back toward the 200 moving average, and that's another drop of 6.43% to the downside. That would occasionally mean that we'll get significantly overstretched here in the bullish band, so pullback should be expected at some point before going to those levels. So we did fall all the way down towards this level here, which is, you can pull it out around here at 109. That means in this case that we'll break below the 200 moving average, but I don't think that is going to happen as the 200 moving average has offered significant support in the past. So we could drop just above the 200 moving average if we were to fall further from here. If you look at technical indicators, they are all turning around. The MACD is also bearish, the RSI is bearish, CCI is bearish, and stochastic is bearish as well. Rallies will most likely find resistance here at the 124 and also up here in the 100 moving average at 131. So let's look at DVI. So DVI fell as well on Friday. We are getting really close to this upper resistance line. If you look at technical indicators, they are very mixed. So it is difficult to say basically where we are going. Probably the Bollinger Band is the best estimate here. So the MACD is, well, technically flat at this point. The RSI is bearish, the CCI is bullish, and the stochastic is bullish. So they're basically pointing in different directions, so they are no use to us whatsoever. But if you look at the Bollinger Band, we got really overstretched here on Thursday, and then we pulled back. And when we have gotten overstretched, like for example here, we have pulled back all the way towards the middle. So this could be a drop towards the middle of the Bollinger Band, which is give or take minus 1.8% to the downside from the very highs, and around 1.2% to the downside from where we are at this current stage, down to 116. So that is just above the 20 exponential moving average. If the 20 exponential breaks, then we could drop all the way down to the 40, and that's additional 2% to the downside. Otherwise, there's a lot of room to the upside, as we can see that we have rallied up towards this resistance line, and we're basically at the bottom of this channel range. So it's been a long time since we've rallied up towards that point, but it'll probably happen anytime soon. But at this point, we are most likely going to see a pullback before going higher. So VTI. Very similar here to VTI. We got very overstretched on Thursday, and then we pulled back, and we could pull back towards the middle of the Bollinger Band. There's a drop of 1.83% from the very highs down to 215. Technical indicators here are more, or not accurate, but they are showing similar signs. The MACD is bearish, the RSI is bearish, the CCI is becoming bearish, and the stochastic is bearish as well at this point. So we could drop towards the 20 exponential moving average down here at 115, which has been offered support in the past. If we drop below that, we could find support down here at 211 or the 50 moving average at 209. Sorry. So let's look at MCHI. So this really took a beating both on Thursday and also on Friday, and now it looks like we're going to head back towards the very lows. So yes, the Chinese market was not doing really well, and tech companies in China were not doing well at all. So we could fall all the way back towards the 200 moving average down here at 80. So we're trading just under or well underneath the 20 exponential. We did rally up towards that and then broke down. We're also in the bottom of the underneath the middle of the Bollinger Band and could head towards the bottom. That is give or take 80.78. So that's just above the 200 moving average. Technical indicators are all turning to the downside and are bearish at this current stage. So, hope you find this helpful. You're welcome to support our channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our news videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. Good luck and thank you very much.